The brother of CBS News correspondent Bob Schieffer is running for Texas governor. Tom Schieffer made the announcement in Fort Worth. The lawyer and businessman says he'll run as a Democrat, although he voted twice for George W. Bush and served under Bush as ambassador to Australia and Japan.
11 News has learned the man who wants to be the next mayor of Houston is shaking up his campaign tonight. Former city attorney Gene Ross has just hired Kristen Archer as his campaign manager. Archer is background successful campaign for mayor in Clinton County, Colorado. More notably around here, he helped Bill White get elected in Houston.
A federal judge has ruled that Houston's sign ordinance banning advertising balloons is unconstitutional, and she's ordered the city to pay the owner of a balloon business $1 million. The ordinance was passed in 1993, but the city stopped enforcing it 2 years ago when the owner filed suit. And the U.S. national team is back to victory this evening after pulling off one of the biggest wins in U.S. soccer.
What is this? This is nothing. What do you know what that is? Oh, don't get distracted.
6 a.m. No, but you can get a Whataburger.
Oh, something's jacking it, Misty. Oh, you're no fun.